right, today's Thursday and
my favorite day of the week.
Old school day, and we are back. How you doing this casual afternoon? Hope say you don't sit down and watch your number one television program Talk, because all of us don't difference here. Even though say some people they play Ayo. Yes, we're going to know who win at the end of the day. But my name is Joliment and welcome to our old school day. The ladies, them, beautiful ladies, the ladies will get plenty ideas for head. Intelligent ladies, them, they're going to don't cover themselves one by each.
Whenever we begin to actually introduce us, the thing they make me feel like, say, you get some days where they say she no go, just no send us, she no go hype, she no go do anything, and then some days she go just say, okay, my ladies, the beautiful, intelligent, wonderful. I suspect you.
I know.
Anyway, today na Thursday, and I don't the ginger because now it's they be now Friday, not tomorrow, and my name na Pt.1.
My name no go change, Jerry. Still remain Amaka Okuja. For us about now, they follow this my baby here. They struggle. Ayo. When I make sure say I win, I beg.
Ayo. Now just the one you make sure say you win.
All right, now my own name still
Now my house without.
Yes, today I decide to dress the lady in red. Everybody will see me now. Lady in red, they talk. I don't understand.
No. When they say when ladies wear red, they are always very elegant. So you're looking elegant.
Okay, so if you think say I did elegant today on top of the red, oh yeah, now go on top Twitter. Me, you tell me because I don't want to say I did very elegant on red. And my Ankara belt.
You don't say your name.
Yes, my own is still Queen B. I don't talk for myself.
All right. Now, what happened last week? We're going to need to apologize because bad manners on us. We never actually apologize. Ladies, please. Bad manners on us. We never actually apologize because last week we be show you one old school picture of one Kajat person, and we say make you guess who this person be. Something can happen. Maybe I say the devil will want try come, but light show and say come and stay one place. But today we want to repeat the picture again so that you where they out there go feed tell us who you think say this person be, because for you to guess you go chocolate plenty things. And guess who? Da, 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 da.
Soundtrack.
I tell you. Who you think say
with cape.
This person?
Those years. Oh my God. The bikini really.
With a low cut, not to
A beautiful baby. A beautiful baby.
Don't know. Milk teeth now. The bikini is this mother time.
How old maybe this person will be? Like
Maybe like 5 years.
Like
5 or
that,
6.
we go by 3.
Oh,
maybe
really?
3.
All
You know,
right.
see some children they
They
grow
just
like
big
Like a Greek.
All right, so you were there out there. If you know the right answer to this particular picture, guess who you think say this person be? You're gonna need to enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia, or you enter our Facebook Talk TV. Tell us who that small picking be for that picture, and then you feature plenty things on top of that matter. So not forget once more the picture and who the person be. And producer, can we just see the picture again? We just want to make you know this picture, yeah. This is now the picture of the person. Who is this person?
The person won't be like a Queen Bee where they wear red.
take time.
My
ears no long like this. My ears small.
All right, if you think say the person actually Queen Bee, tell us why you think say na Queen Bee. If you think say na Amaka, tell us why you think say na Amaka. If you think say na Betiana, tell us why. And if you think say na me, tell us why you think say that person where they that
Or
picture.
beautiful artist with outside.
Now one of us. All right, Abby?
Yes, if he be our guest.
If he be our guest, you never can tell. So, guessing right about now. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. All right, time don't reach for us, so it's everything they was. Ayo can wait for now.
Yes, Ayo can wait.
Yes,
wait.
please.
Although somebody's winning me, but I don't agree.
You know, I believe say our president not set the pace for us to accept defeat.
You have to call...
I did my lane.
No.
I did my lane.
Call to concede.
Call her. Tell her
Break
say
am
you see
down.
Betiana.
Okay. You could just say, I agree.
Say-
Betiana, they win me for the game of Ayo. I know Vex, na game.
All right, so I actually appreciate people
Waiting
where they admit when they fail. All right, time don't reach for us, so something now waiting they hot. It's cooking in the kitchen. So time for us to open the pot and see the stories then where we carry take join body today, this ganchous afternoon. Now our first story for today on top waiting they hot. It's something they hot now. This
No, no.
Why you on a Igbo style like this?
Because I hot yam now.
Hot yam.
Where can you water for?
You don't see pikin where be say dip in hand inside hot eba. Small pikin.
Oh my God, what's happened?
You said so they look good.
You do it and do your own reaction again. Do your own. You don't know.
All right, so which one we go actually pick now for wetin dey hot? Yeah. All right, our first story for today concerns former Made Men Music Group MMNG artist Emmanuella. As she don come outside deny say she no date her former boss wey be Ubi Franklin. All of us know say he is engaged to Lilian Isoro. They are engaged now, but she Emmanuella don come outside to say she no actually date him. Now you need to understand this particular one. They say Ubi Franklin for inside one interview, he disclose say he actually date Emmanuella. Now I go need to just give you some kind of quotes we actually quote. He talks say for his own words, he talks say I was dating Emmanuella and the relationship didn't go as I thought it should have gone. He said when you're dating somebody and you be the boss, he said there are things you can't tell your wife or your girlfriend, but if you say it to an employee you're dating and they tend to misbehave. Ooh, you be Franklin, wow. He said like if you tell the others to do something, he said they go obey wetin you they do without say they think about them. It's not only me, but it don't happen to a lot of people. But that is the business lesson I don't learn for life. Now, wetin you be Franklin actually come outside talk. Now, Emmanuella don't react to the report. Say she lied for inside her latest interview where she denied say she not date her labor boss. We be Franklin. From the look of things, if they really date like people claim, she didn't consider that a relationship. If like say she not looking like a relationship at all. That situationship. All right, she come outside talk say no, I never dated him. He say I get that him and Inyanya gist. Say I understand that him and Inyanya gist. He say no, we never dated. We have a business deal together. I never dated any of them. He say I swear I never dated him. I was dating someone else in the industry, but we are not dating right now. Now, wait till she come outside talk about. They say another one again where she talked. They say Emma, she said she didn't dispel the report outrightly, but she talked say she would fully speak on her experience, and she can enter Twitter, can write this last one where I want quotes now. She said once I finally speak on top my experience fully, everyone will truly understand. He says silence and success say na the best revenge. Only fools now in they shout, they open their mouth. He said women should never be forced or abused into doing things where they don't want to. He said lying to people now one thing. God, they see them all. Now within Emmanuella come aside talk, but you be frankly still insist say he actually date her, but because of because him na boss. And you know how they be now if they date one of your employee, say the respect not go there for inside there. Now within you be frankly come aside talk. So we are going to dwell on that. On waiting you actually come aside talk about boss and employee relationship. How not see boss and employee relationship? Dating your boss?
First of all, I know Ubi very well, and I know say Ubi is a very private person.
Yeah.
In a person maybe say you know like to throw away in matter in affair for outside. So for Ubi to come outside, come talk say him and Emmanuella they actually date. I go believe because before now speculations been done. They say okay Ubi and Emmanuella waiting they happen. Even the full story of that gist I don't already read them, and then he actually talk say he spend about 30M on top of Emmanuella. Say most of the videos and the recordings when you do for him that time, say he spend like 3.5 on each, and you know they're productive. And everybody here go agree with me, say Emmanuella, all her music, well, it got but I say out of 5, now just 1 9 makes sense. And even that one way makes sense, you go know say then push. For me,
the
I don't
really stamp to our throat.
For me, I don't go really say Emmanuella an amazing artist. And for how far away Ubi go, he actually try for her. And for Ubi to come out and talk this thing where he talk, it actually means say maybe some begin already they day on the ground, and he just want claim before she come out and can't talk lies. Now waiting me, I believe in that because
why she don't talk anything?
First of all, she don't leave the label. You go need to know that one. She know they with Triple MG anymore. And then number 2, women get wahala. I be woman, I know wetin we fit bring on top table when it be say things no dey go accordingly. Why be saying that now when he done ready, who be done ready to marry? You know, say he don't announce the engagement with Lillian.
But she said they're not dates.
She go everly talk am from everything when she talk say women they don't need to force you into anything. Say na a business then get together. You go know say okay some kind kuru don't dey inside the matter. But the truth of the matter be say whether you get business, or you get situationship, or you get relationship, nobody go force you do what you want to do. If at all you feel say them force you, it means say you get something where you feel say okay I could actually benefit from it. Why you allow them force you into whatever way it be say you think for your head say them force you do. Now my own opinion be that. But on the other hand I go say Ubi now you actually mess up because for me it ain't wrong for you to date your employee. If they bring see finish for every environment, for every organization, people who don't do them, they know, say, okay, now actually waiting come out of ambidase. Unless, if eventually you decide, say, okay, this is what they do, you go need to deal with yourself casual, and then you need to have mutual respect for each other. Whether they date or you know they date, the other party needs to know, say, okay, this one is my oga, and this other person, now actually person where they below me. When I need to know on a level before you start, and you need a lot of maturity for office relationship to actually work, especially when it be between oga and employee.
Yeah.
And now the employee they suffer at the end of the day because now your oga, if the thing no work, if he decides okay, it no work and you don't want to see your face again, and now you go lose, then go sack you. And nothing where you won't do about him. You go just cry. Like some people don't already they cry on top of the matter now, and it go end for there.
So you not encourage
No,
boss
I
and
encourage
employee relationship?
Well, see, for me, boss and employee relationship it depends. Based on entertainer, I go say no do am.
Okay.
Entertainment industry, because number one, Emmanuella are just like a plus into the industry. To me, I go prefer me she be like backup. I'm sorry to say, no be say I feel say you know be artist, but I just feel say no be everybody supposed to frontline everything. Because if you look Your Waist, the song Your Waist, when she did behind, everybody they curious to know who be that chick where they behind. Everybody want to know who Emmanuella be. To me, Nigerians never still really defined how to package artists. What's in be her name? I go remember her name as I talk. She do behind the waiting for Kanye West for how many years before later she can't drop her own song. You understand? For very long time, she do behind the scene. She they stand for her and she once they perform for stage because you know they are on stage.
Like
now,
and Ego.
yes, now they help them sing for there, but Nigeria on now let you go there they sing, and the thing not go be like the real thing. Meanwhile, you supposed to bring all your band and everybody will make the song be as it take be. That one on the other hand. Then again, where Emmanuella take disappoints me for me. She be adult, she's above 18. Yes, I dated Ubi. It didn't work and he found love somewhere else. Simple. This whole matter for don't die. Ubi self no go get muscle to raise him mouth saying one talk. Shut him down before he shuts you. Because right now you the conde, because now you first swear. She swear. Watch the video, she swear.
Yeah, she talk.
The lady was asking her, you sure? She swear. Then she can't go ahead again to talk. Say no. Say she still did triple MG, but right now she want to do her own thing. Hello. Now so we can tell us say he won't do his own thing before we hear say Starboy don't they, and no more EME. Now again, you don't start to say, oh, okay. And she can't even go into detail to say she did when the label starts. Now she even bring the name Triple MG, made men doing things themselves. So she did part of the people who called the name come outside. Hello, Ubi go just say, hello, my dear. And again, the girl fine. Ubi know they now very private person like you talk, and you see Emmanuella will come their record label. What do you expect to make you do? Sure, you go used to pick the chop for outside when he gets straw to suck for house.
And that means you encourage boss and employee relationship.
I say for entertainment industry,
say no.
No, because our industry still be baby for all those places. You understand? Imagine Usher, all in managers now in the dates. He dates one, he leave her. He dates the other one now. And in performance now come there on point because she go down rub a roll for her head before I go on stage.
Oh yeah.
But our own here, maybe she don't tell the guy say buy me perfume if they come back. The guy no pay. Okay, she they go perform. You go see yourself on top stage. You go say yeah, I go deal with you today. I go deal with you today. So they deal with them on top stage. Meanwhile she they do the other. He go they tell her move to the left. You know go. Yeah. So now you don't pay. Now you don't go deal with. Yes, because now manager they go deal with. They no go deal with artists. So till you don't know how to arrange your table well, please don't go into it. As entertainment industry, but for office like bank or places like that, hello,
is acceptable.
I go rock them. I go do them.
I not to get petty things to talk. I just know say when I hear the whole story thing, I won't understand whether it can't be like say for my own ear, it can't be like say she they talk say yes, then get something in common, but be like say then force them do them.
At her age.
No, I don't say they surprise.
Babe, we
say
come
that
from
wetin she dey
Yankee
try
like
talk
she
say
talk. Oh.
they force. I no wan do am, but they force me do am. So
How will be take
that
force you?
relationship no be real relationship, na situationship as we call am. So I just do am because I feel say if I no do am, I fit no get my job. If it spoil my waka, like better I talk. If you follow boss waka, boss still say you no work, boss go say babe shift go this corner. If you just talk see you say your face dey annoy me, waka pass. And that is it, it go end. But not mean say me I know they support boss and oga relationship. But you need to dey matured about the whole thing.
Yeah.
If you know say you won't follow oga, if you dey matured, oga no dey matured, package yourself well. When oga see say if oga get sense, oga go say okay this babe get sense. He manage inside. That's if he see you say he won't use you play. And you decide say you package yourself, oga can say okay this be like say this one where I think say I go fit play with, get something upstairs. You go waka pass you, but if oga see you say my check makes sense, so you don't know where if he end. If he end up as marriage and very fruitful marriage at that, you know, go just stay by the wayside like Naira, they thought say they use and play. That wetin just end myself, you big now, you mature. So I go talk say they force you do wetin you no want do. Why can't they come outside and tell us say it's not a relationship? You really?
It's a situation.
Really?
Situation.
Business.
No, for me, I don't understand why you go date person and then you decide to make it public. I really don't understand.
If he
For
decide,
me,
if he come out, why keep giving us all those kind different excuses? He come out just a bit or say yes.
and if you don't want to comment about it, you can say, I beg, I don't want to comment about it.
Instead of today's
No,
Yes.
That one I really appreciate. Like, what's it they call her? Selena Gomez. Till tomorrow, if you ask her whether she dates Justin Bieber, she go tell you, I rather not talk about that. I've been advised by my manager not to talk about that. People respect
Simple.
it. But once you carry them on and on, people go, hey, who did there to drag? And I
So
would
that's
talk
not what
so.
I actually feel. That's not what I actually feel. She not supposed to come outside. They do the swearing. I swear this. I swear
That
heaven
one
and
is
earth.
wrong.
I actually did not date him and whatever. Una don't make una mistake. So just let it end like
Let
that.
it end.
No need to go on with him. I understand. Say we need to read them for news, but at least
We don't read them.
we don't read and finish. So it's okay. But that's say una date or you agree. Say una date, you not agree. Or let them be like that. Not go outside again. Go they do. I swear this. And you be too. You're getting married. Forget about everything. Forget about say you date him and not even being the gist come out again. Let it just die
Yeah,
like that.
because we need to say, as she talk, as she talk, he no talk. You know, say the matter for don't die. But as she talk, that interview, he can't talk. Can't give her opportunity to go Twitter again. Then go Instagram.
That is
because
what
we get
I'm
plenty
saying.
platform.
No, you know,
That's
say
what
you
I'm
need
saying.
to
No, for me,
cover
I actually
his
think
talk.
say
Yeah, it don't get it all.
it get more where we don't know about now make Ubi talk. Because I
Yes.
know Ubi say it not for Chook mouth inside this thing unless say things where we no see they happen behind the scenes.
Alright.
For me, you never can know anybody finish. So that's say you don't marry person Bettiana, you not go see know him to the fullest. So, but for me, you don't do like that. You be Frankly and Emmanuella. Let it rest like that. And also for this boss and employee relationship, like with Amaka talk, you need to understand them. You need to know say give and take. I they put them. If the team work out well,
Fine.
You can remain in the company. You feel even climb
step.
If the team not work out well, you can be sacked. And that's
Sharply.
true.
So you prepare your mind.
So prepare your mind.
So you definitely sack you on top of the
Telling
issue.
you. So prepare your mind.
Then
May I
again,
help you prepare your mind? If you just say you like Oga, you feel say Oga like
Begin
you.
find job somewhere
Thank
else.
you. Just think of another job. Just say
guy
in case Oga decide to jab on me like this, as they jab me, I know they enter another company.
I tell you, it just be like one person who
Simple.
actually know when she started the data bank manager. Know what she do? She used the bank manager influence to get another job for another bank.
Correct.
So like this can happen.
So that
That's
that's
what I
how
want,
she-
exactly
she
what I want
thought.
to talk. Some actually no be say dating because she love the person. Dating because she needs to climb. That's like a ladder. I use anybody to
Follow the
climb.
ladder.
One singer just
All right, from there we go enter this next story because before we actually go on our break, we'll get a better guest who will go join us at the studio. But this particular story concerns Davido. He's really excited about his upcoming graduation from Bangkok University. Congratulations to you. And he can share the photo on top Instagram. He come right on top the photo where he share. He talks say last paper done. Finally about to be a graduate. He said, been a long and hard journey, I'm not gonna lie. He said, I remember when I dropped out of school for Inside America 2011 for music. After a year, my papa can't demand, say I finish my education, even though success don't come my way. even though I know they make money for inside music. He say, it don't make sense going back to me. He say, I had it all in my eyes. I get home, I get cars, I get money, I get jewelries, I get gold, name them, I get everything. He say, after encouragement for my peers and family members, I'm finally done. And I'm happy to say this degree is the most cherished asset we I get. He say, we did it. Baddest thing, input plenty hashtag. But in the comments I talk say, in degree, na im most cherished asset. Okay, now, how I see this particular one? And waiting, make my just ask this question. It's Thursday. Waiting for our most cherished asset. Yeah. Because now it's cherished asset is the certificate, not the money, not the cars, not the gold. So waiting be your most cherished asset.
Okay. First of all, I must say kudos to Davido, irrespective of the fact that I always the be on top of this show, say he's still the small picking. But this now actually one step we go to show, say, okay, in a way, in some aspects, you don't they grow up. Because you get some people, they say, after all the wealth and everything, even if they tell them from now till tomorrow, they go still say, no, I get money, I don't need to go to school. But you actually calm your head down to listen to your parents, listen to your family members. And I say, okay, kudos, you don't actually be graduate now. At least if your parents, they jag who be graduate, you just have to go rub shoulder with them. Say, yes, miss, if I don't actually graduate, and not just graduate from one of the best schools for inside Wiobodo. But at the same time, concerning my most
cherished assets.
My most cherished asset. I go say now little bits of words of wisdom where I actually pick up from my papa before he passed away. A lot of things where he actually teach me. You know all these old people's parables where they go tell you say, okay, I actually given out the scenario when we did very younger. When I did younger, like when I did secondary school, my papa go call all of us. If you just wake up for middle of night, like 12, 1 a.m., go just call all of us, enter inside parlor, we go sit down. He will come send me, send me now the last one, send me go bring broom. I'll come and say, this kind night, this one won't sweep. Which kind thing be this one? Mommy, what happens? Because she send me go bring broom, I go bring the broom, go come and they give us one by one. Go give us broom, so yeah, break them. We go try, no go break, go give the next person. Me, last boy, say with the lights of the pass, go break, you can't say, okay. You can't remove broomstick one by one, so yeah, you take, we go break them. People go break into 10 places, go give round like that, and you can't tell us, say, someone on a day together, say, nobody go feel break on her. But when you decide, say, you won't stand alone, one by one, say, they're very easy for people to penetrate, to do what they want to do. That's not just one of the most plenty things where we say it actually teach us where we they use and it still they keep us together. So those are my most prized, most cherished everything where I get for life because now memories where we say it no fit claim for my head forever.
Beautiful. Amaka?
Like I will first start with congratulations, David. Congrats. Yes, because I know say me I always talk for my mother, be like say I talk and say he need anger management and all those things. But right about now, if you say since you don't go school, then they like talk this thing. Go school, make the school pass through you. No, you just waka pass through the school, come out.
Word.
So I thank God, say I hope say just waka pass, but the school also waka pass through am. Because some people go school. You don't say people go school. People go school. They really go to school.
Now, what do you do? I feel like
I know you understand what they mean.
I feel ask you some questions on the subject what you do for school. Exactly. If you can define it now, can you define it?
Excuse me.
No, not enter your case.
No, I just talk because some people feel saying that to just go school, go get certificate, come out. No, some people feel that go that school, certificate go papa, you know go mix, you just go collect certificate, come out. Ask them now. You don't need to ask a definition of anything. Who you can be. Finally, you know, go fit tell you, I just go to school, I just want collect certificate, come out. Nice some people do. But hopefully, as I got talk, say, I believe say don't go to school, you really go to school, no be say just go collect certificate, come out. You go to the school and come out. Congratulations. So, I can't talk of my most cherished assets. I don't really get like that, but I go talk of two things where I believe say I love to keep. My grandma, my mama. She although when I did school that time, I go pass through Asaba before I come house. Every time I go there, she dey like to always give me some of her cherished things. She go keep her. No, those start doing those work that time. Hey. She'll come dig her box. Say, Amaka, enter my box now. Go take this. I'll go there. So yeah, take him. Carry go out. It fits you. Wear am. You know that kind of thing. When I roll out, oh, it fits me. If it no fit me, but when I reach out, I will keep her for box. Say, now my own be this. Then another one again.
So you get them for box?
No, you know plenty now. Once in a while, where those things where she go don't dig for box.
I know, but
now.
you get them for box.
Oh, I keep them.
Beautiful.
I keep
All right, my own.
Yeah.
Davido, congratulations to you. I respect people no matter what, no matter the odd, no matter everything. I cherish my own certificate too, because like I did talk for you, 7 to 8 years now to get that one. 7 to, because I do diploma, so calculate them for me. I respect myself. I appreciate them for that one. Say no matter what, I still get that one. Then again, my most cherished, now my younger sister. Oh God, I know sometimes I'll try. You know what? Make I not even call this girl today. I won't try lock up, but I know they fit. I cherish her so much and I appreciate her. Then life is beautiful. We thank God for that.
Yeah.
I hope say you use this one, do better thing, and stop to the break bottle for.
Yes.
True. For me, I actually congratulate Davido, because even with the money, with the cars and everything, he still decides he won't go to school.
And but Davido's father, they very strict.
No, I understand. See, my sister,
I know.
you don't see where parents streets rich, but the children not they listen to them.
I know.
Now we know.
So because Davido, he don't enter inside musical scene and they make money on his own, so he can as well say, Daddy, please patch one corner. But still, he listens to the words of the father and he still go back to school. That one to you. But for me, my most cherished asset, I just think I want to be the talk, and I feel say at this point in my family, because at the end of the day, now them I go still run to. Yes, I can have plenty friends all around, but my family and a person will actually know me in and out, and they know the kind of things where they need to give me, the kind of things where they don't give me. So they'll be actually my most cherished asset, and I appreciate each and every one of my family. Now, you were there. Tell us what to be your most cherished asset. Enter Twitter at Wazobia and go put your mouth for inside there. But we're going to a small break. When we'll come back, our first guest will enter inside the studio. When they come back.